What can you make with the Sailner A3 UV printer this Halloween? Acrylic board, tumbler, phone cases, fridge magnet, cardstock, transparent film sheet, glass, Canva wall art. You won't believe these projects only cost about 3 cents of UV ink. Let's get started. First, the acrylic board. Place it on the vacuum platform. Use color white color mode, so both sides look amazing. Printing takes around 10 minutes. The A3 comes with a rotary attachment. Cylinder printing takes a bit longer, but the result is absolutely stunning. Since this tumbler is pink, we print white first, then color to keep the colors bright. In the next video, I'll show a comparison between CMYK only and CMYK plus white prints on different materials. I'll link it once it's ready. Let's print a quick registration frame to make sure the phone cases are placed correctly. Since they already have a white base, we only need CMYK printing. They take about 4 minutes. Print your design on a small acrylic piece and stick a magnet on the back. You can either print on top or flip the image and print it underneath. If you print on top, you can also add a 2.5D texture, but it'll take a bit longer. Here are 7 small square cards. I made these to match the Halloween fake nails. All designs are AI generated, but if you design your own, they'll look even more unique. Since the cardstock already has a white surface, CMYK printing is enough, and it takes less than 2 minutes. Because this material, transparent film sheet, is super smooth. Apply a thin coat of metal UV primer before printing to keep the ink from flaking. To make a badge, print CMYK first, then a layer of white ink on top. Then you can choose different backgrounds. It's the same process. Print on glass, apply UV primer, then use color white color mode. Look at these details. You can print your family photos, pets, or any artwork you like. Finally, here are 2 Canva wall arts. One full A3 size, and one smaller. Guess how much ink they used? Even with multiple white layers for the 2.5D texture, they only use around 2 cents worth of ink. Sailner A3 is perfect for small businesses. You can turn your personalized designs into real profit. Hope this video inspires your UV printing ideas. Don't forget to subscribe and contact us if you'd like to get your own Sailner Desktop UV printer A3.